Hello. Hello. Emrys Hobo. Dwi efo'r look. Dwi'n gwybod dwi efo'r look. Ond dwi ddim yn really fewn i Star Wars. Ond, why did Han Solo have constipation? Because he didn't have the force to push out his poo out of his bum. Nath reit doniol digwydd i heddiw. O'n i'n cerdded lawr parc a eisiau walk yn y parc. Oedd hi'n reit braf heddiw. Yn gwisgo spectols haul, reit braf. O'n i'n mynd am walk. Dwi'n byd arna fi, ond ffôn fi a earphones fi. O'n i ddim meddwl cael botol o ddŵr. Sy'n walk a eisiau botol o ddŵr. Piss wedyn oes. Dwi ddim cael botol o ddŵr. Gael dŵr wedyn. A wedyn, diwedd y rŵt fi. Mae yna gan y glaswell yn gweld bit o'r môr. Eisiau slawr yna. A eisiau, ac eisiau sting yn ymhenol. Sting yn ymhenol. Ie. Sting yr ysla, oedd o. Sting yr ysla, oedd ddim dapyn ôl. Chi'n cofio yn Common Field, efo, pa i twtsiad hwnna, Harry? Be yn lle Harry, os efo fatha rhywun arall, fatha Nelson Mandela. Pa i twtsiad hwnna, Nelson Mandela? Neu gei di twtsiad os isio, cos ti wedi gwneud lot o gwaith da yn dy fywyd. Fath fel all. So hwnna dwi'n gallu bod yn ffynnu, Common Field, dwi'n meddwl. Rich tea, what's the deal with rich tea? Poor people buy them. Do you know what I mean? They're like really cheap. Like, I go to the shop and I only buy rich tea if I'm skint. Where's the skint tea for rich people? What do you mean? Funny things in the shop. Went to the shop once and I said, do you have any potatoes? And they said, we got baby potatoes. I said, no, I want full grown-ass potatoes, please. The kind of potatoes they know what they're doing with, please. Yeah. Don't get me started on wagon wheels. Wagon wheels. I wouldn't catch an Uber with wagon wheels for wheels. That's for sure. They'll like not work. Yeah. A lot of bad things in the news these days. A lot of bad things. A friend called me and said, Emrys, something bad has happened to me. I said, put it on the list. Yeah. Very good friends. We're very good friends. Still very good friends. Very good friends. Rheswm dwi'n trio neud hyn wan yn bennaf ydy dwi wedi trio sgwennu stand-up ages rwan. Yna ddau peth yn sefyll allan i rhywun sy'n rhaid i neud stand-up o blaen. Un, mae o'n fucking scary. Dau, pwy ti'n meddwl am syniad, ti'n convinced ar y pryd mae'n hilarious. Ella dy ddim, mor ffynnu ti'n feddwl dio. A wedyn ti'n ama dy hun. Yna felly. So, a jyst chwarae un o syniadau fi. Syniad 2, anecdote joke thing. I've been developing this stand-up routine for a couple of years now, and I was parlaying my craft and my writings to some comedian friends and some non-comedian friends who have a good sense of humour, and they said, Emrys, nobody's doing slapstick comedy in 2022. Maybe you can incorporate some slapstick into the show. Don't slap an old woman or something. Maybe self-slapping, but do it with a smile so people don't think you're self-harming. So, yeah, think about incorporating different kinds of comedy. Slapstick, observation, funny anecdote, voices, that kind of thing. And that got me thinking, I got some old material just hanging around on my notes app on the phone. I thought, I think I can get some slapstick into that. So I'm going to do some slapstick comedy for you. So, yeah. So, this is a piece I've written. It's slapstick comedy in nature. It's got two characters in this anecdote story thing. Emrys, which I'm going to play myself, and I'm going to be phoning my mother, which also I'm going to be playing my mother in this particular thing. Also, we've got another character, which I will also be playing. So, yeah, so we'll see how it goes. Bring, 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 bring. Oh my God, who's on the phone? Hello, who's on the line? It's me, Emrys, your mother. Oh, hello, mother. Are you well? Yes, I am well. Oh, that's good to hear. Yes, that is good to hear, and I hope you are well as well. Yes, I am well, mother. Thank you for asking, mother. I hope father is good. Is the slate quarry where he works in a healthy place financially at this present time, which is 2017? Yes, that's yes, very good news. We're thinking of getting one of those new Toyota Priuses that we see on the show Tomorrow's World, because they are very new and very technologically advanced in 2017. That's very true, mother. They do look very good on fuel economy. But I think if you wait another 5 years, by 2022, I predict we will be having flying cars. That will be good, and you should get one.
Oh, yes, Emrys. Oh, Emrys, what are you like with these crazy ideas? Your head is always on that computer screen, reading the latest technological um, things. Yes, can't be helped, mother, can't be helped. Yes, and Emrys, I just can't help noticing, um, my motherly instincts senses that you're not okay, Emrys, when I asked you if you were okay. No. Oh, darn you, mother, and your heightened motherly instincts. You are correct. I have an illness. Um, okay, out of scene. Um, I This was written in 2017 originally. I was gonna go like with edgy illnesses, but I'm not gonna do that. So I'm always gonna use the C word illness, the capital A illness, but I'm not gonna do that in 2022. So it's gonna be um, it's gonna be like a really hard, mild, life-threatening illness, but it's gonna be very hard illness. Um, you have to remember this sketch is all about the slapstick, so I don't need to sully and take away from that. Okay, back into the scene. So, anyways, what illness do you have? Well, mother, I have. That's a knock on the door. Oh, 1 second, mother. Someone's at the door. Going at the door. Are you Emrys? Yes, I am Emrys. Who are you? Why are you at the door? I have never seen you before, um, stranger. I'm literally gonna slap you with this stick now. I'm slapping myself. Oh no, I've just been slapsticked. Yeah, so
So, funny? Ddim funny? Mba. Oedd teimlo'n ffynnu ar y pryd. Ar y pryd oedd o'n teimlo'n ffynnu. Oedd o'n teimlo'n ffynnu. Mae pob yn lyfio ffwbol, ynddi? Ffwbol di pethau ni'n Gymru, ynddi? Soccer, y bel gron, yr gang neu gyd, Malcolm Allen, Capel Benezer, y boi talnawd yn chwarae low league ffwbol ar wal goch, de. So, y gang neu gyd. Oce iawn, oce cael berhaw. Dwi'n lyfio bob dim sy'n ymlaen yna, bob dim. Ia, lyfio bob dim sy'n ymlaen efo ffwtbol, de. Hogia ffwtbol fydd pob erioed, de. Hogia ffwtbol. Ie. Yeah. Sy'n neb licio rygbi mwy nag oes? Na. Neb. Rygbi? Na. Na, ffwbol. Dwi'n cofio chwarae ffwbol pan i'n bach. Ffwbol. Dwi'n ffwbol. Cicio fo. Gafal na fo. Pwmpio'r pel. Nôl y pel. Fo'n bogaj. Fucking ffwbol, ia. Dwi'n mynd i cael ffwbol a gwachad ffwbol am awr a hanner. Lyfio fo. Dwi'n just yn lyfio fo. Y wal goch. Yn canu'r canuon na. Maen nhw'n gyd yn hits. Ynddi, maen nhw'n gyd yn hits. Hogia da. Hogia da i gyd. Wales Away. Spirit of 58. All about that. All about that. No. Cymreigdod. Os o beth mwy Cymreig na ffwbol yng Nghymru pryd o'n i'n dda yn ffwbol. Na, gys yn gys. Absolutely ddim byd yn gys. Lyfio fo. Absolutely lyfio fo. Lyfio. Lyfio. Dwi'n yn cofio Maxen, o'n i'n gorfod Google fo, ac o'n i'n really dal yn siŵr beth sy'n digwydd. Boi really hen, dwi'n meddwl, ie? Comedy skit, wan. Fi prop, ac efo hwn. Mae hwn wedi dod o... Mae'r syniad wedi dod o byd go iawn, really. Beth sy'n agos i fi, sy'n digwydd i fi yn ddiweddar. A dwi wedi troio rhyw fath o comedy. So, yn y skit yma, fyddai yn chwarae fi fy hun, a fyddai yn siarad efo rwy'n sy'n tol y camera. Yeah, so, see you. Hey, iawn, ages, yeah, awesome a bethau. Bethau'n gret di, yeah. Yeah, ynddo, byw by'n hyn, ynddo. Yeah, homeowner, mortgage, mortgage, ffyr y beth, de. Paint? Dwi'n gwybod sut lle mynd am paint, de. Dwi'n gwybod dwi'n single, sgwyf fi ddim pethau, ond... Pam? I've got responsibilities now. Alla I just ddim drop tools. Dwi wedi prynu'r planhigyn yma. Alla I'm just mynd am paint, sorry mate. I di ddall rhyw ddwrnod. Peth y poeni, i di ddall. Netflix. Ond... I bins. Netflix. Ond i... ceir. Netflix. Ond i TV channels. Netflix. Ond i teulu. Netflix. Ond i llyfrau. Netflix. Ond i ffrindiau. Netflix. Ond i stwff Disney. Netflix. Ond i music. Netflix. Ond i bwyd. Really, most yn just yn cael. O'n i most yn un yn dod. Most yn un yn dod. Ni. Yeah. Netflix. Ond i smokes. Pobl yn gofyn i fi, Emrys, be di ysbrydolaeth chdi am dy comedy? A, ti'n be? Leonard Cohen. Dylan Thomas. David Attenborough. Nelson Mandela. Y boi na sydd ar MasterChef sy'n bald. Nhw'n gyd yn cael dylanwad yna fi. Dwi o sponge. Fel la. No. Nhw'n gyd... Mae gen pob ffynnu bon. Ti'n fel? A mae just mater o tap i'r ffynnu bon. Ti'n sbio pobl o hanes. Ti'n sbio ar y lluniau. Wedi gallu hen lluniau creepy na. O creepy. Mae'n edrych atha, oh my god, paid ysbio na fi, cos mae'n creepy lluniau o'r atha Victorians. A mae'n edrych yn serious. Stout fel la. Bet o'n nhw'n ffynnu bon. Bet o'n nhw'n massively racist hefyd. Ond hefyd, o'n nhw'n ffynnu bon. Different times, different times. Different times. Yeah. Dwi'n meddwl pob yn ffynnu. Ti'n ffynnu efo ceg chdi, neu os ti'n funny looking. Dim funny looking as in fath yn wrong o chdi. Funny looking as in gwyneb expressive. Dim funny looking fel arall. So hynna'n wrong. Yeah. Mae rei pobl yn cerdded yn... Na. Ia, dwi'n mynd i stopio joc yma. Dwi'n gobeithio bod dwi'n dod hwn at ei gilydd, mae yna rhywbeth ffynnu yma. Dwi'n dall fod y microphone bach yn shit trwy hwn i gyd. Yeah. Y chance fydd hwn yn cringe. Hei, Emrys, os ysbryd hwn ôl, mae'n cringe. Fuck off. Ond, dwi'n trio. Rhywbeth dwi heb di neud llawer yn ddiweddar. So, got that going for me. Eithio. So, post I sticker tan y diwedd. Diolch yn fawr. Gobeithio na rhywbeth ffynnu yma. Mae'n very rough a raw, dwi'n gwybod. Raw and cunt. Ond, ie, o'n i trio fo. Gwybod beth sy'n digwydd. Di pobl yn gwylio fo, licio fo. Fair enough. Os di pobl ddim yn gwylio fo. Fair enough. Os ydych chi wedi gwylio fo a ddim yn licio fo, gofio fi ar y stryd. Please, peidiwch â dweud beth yn... Please, peidiwch â bod yn dick. Ie, oce. Dwi'n di meddwl... Dwi'n di offan o fanna. Meddwl. Ie. Ie, dwi'n gorffan o fanna. Fuck, dwi'n gobeithio hwn yn ffynnu. Dwi'n gobeithio. Gans. Dwi'n trio. Dwi'n trio. Start with dusty fire.